Hey guys, this is Miss Myers. I'm going to show you how to go into Teams and to upload PowerPoint in Teams. So if you can see, let me make the screen wider. As you can see, hi, I'm in Teams. I'm participating with my kids. So if you go up here to share content, click on that. If you go to browse, you can upload from your computer um, your PowerPoint presentation, and let's see, we did an equal sign practice, so I'm going to go ahead and open that, and it takes a minute for it to upload. um, I already have I've already uploaded this one before on Teams, but we'll go ahead and say replace, so it'll take a minute to upload that within here. And what the kids will see is they will see you're still down on the bottom of the screen, so they can still see you on the bottom of the screen, but they also see the the presentation. So see, here's your presentation, and you can use your spacebar to move through the slides, or you can navigate with your mouse as usual. And you're still able to see this way you're able to see the children at the bottom of the screen as well, and able to without having to toggle between the screens. This is what that allows you to do within one screen. Um, just thought I'd show you guys that. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can do this with PowerPoint. I think pretty much most documents, like if there was a certain picture you needed to see them or an image that you wanted to show them, you could do the same thing. You should be able to upload it just fairly simply that way as well. Okay, so I hope it helped. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know.